Here's another company we've been short on for the past couple months. Monthly candles. If you're not playing monthly candles, don't talk to me. Okay. This is Funko. Funko. They make plastic toys. This company makes plastic toys. As you can see, they're down 6.29% on the day. We've been talking about them in Discord for months now. I believe we entered around April, right in this candle here. If you were still holding this position, you'd have a max potential gain of being up 34%. Be a little more conservative. 28.5%. Again, so what we're looking at here is a downtrending price channel, which means this company's not growing over time. And we're looking at a pretty extensive period of time here. That's 2018 to current. Now, as far as analyst expectations go, they tend to meet expectations. But again, I don't care about the expectations. Let's look at their actual profit margins. So in year 2017, they had a profit margin of 0.2%. That's just pathetic. 2018 is 1%. 2019 is 1.47%. And 2020 is 0.6%. It's really, really skim, really rough. Not doing hot as far as income's concerned. Could look at it on the weekly. It's been pretty smooth sailing. As you can see, uptrend starts breaking down. We broke through that weekly 20 moving average, just as you would have in 2019. See, right there, patterns. We then got a little bit of a dead cat bounce, as we just covered on the BTC market cap. So if you're curious about what that term means, make sure to watch the VOD when we're done here. But you would have probably been annoyed for the past month, maybe 2 months, of this just consolidation, this flagging that was happening right around here, getting shaken back and forth. I do believe this will eventually continue downwards. As much as a 93% loss was projected. With profit margins like these, bankruptcy really isn't an impossibility. So keep that in mind. Another good ticker for bears, people who want to be playing the downside of the market.